Who baby is that? Who little baby is that? Oh, get up, Maddie, get up. Look what I got you. Look at her using that left hand. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Eat. There you go, big girl. What's up, big girl? Look at Maddie got her ponytails. So, yeah. We went to this little play thing today with my friend Ashley and her daughter Layla. And this little person, before we went, let me turn this off. Before we went, yeah, I did her hair. Why? I laid her down. I didn't put no rest in the front because she kept fighting me. So I was like, you know what, forget it. When I came to get her up, she had this ponytail pulled out and this ponytail pulled out. So I had to try to throw it in her head right before we, you okay? Right before we went into the play place, and then we was already late. Is it good? You gonna bite your finger. Here, hold it like this. Let me see, hold it like that. There you go. So anyway, she had fun with the kiddos, the other kiddos. And yeah, legit, every room I walk into in my house is a mess. So right now, I'm still working on Maddie's room. It doesn't look like I've done anything with my life, but I have. So this was over here, and I got her little toys in here. The goal, yeah, this is the goal. Okay, so the goal is to take these boxes, well, a majority of them, and put them underneath the kids' crib. I'm gonna actually order baby number 2's crib tonight. But anyways, take those, put them under the crib. So, but Maddie already has something under her crib, so I got to take that out and rearrange that into a box. So get those down. Put like some of this stuff up there, and then basically just have this be their clothing over here, and like some storage stuff up there, and then on this side, as y'all can see, I took out that desk that I had and I had my vision board. That's in my bedroom now, but I still need to go through all of my stuff that I have at the top and the bottom and condense it, throw it away, give it away, whatever. So that's gonna be a project that I have to do. And then this side, we're gonna take, is it good? Is it good, Maddie? I guess that's a yes. We're gonna take this little guy, and it looked real messy, but it's really not. Like, I actually organized like some stuff on her, but I gotta organize all her hair stuff, condense it, because now it's kind of like all over the place. Her socks, all that. But anyways, take this, which is actually a changing table. We've never used it as a changing table. Take this and put it over here. I don't know what we're gonna put on the top. But we're going to do that. And then this little guy that's over here, this storage, we're going to put it on baby number 2's crib. So for now, while we're here, until we get our house, baby number 2, her crib is going to be over here. And then we're going to put that on the side for her, like all her change and stuff. And then I'm going to move this chair over there. And we're going to take those boxes out too. So yeah, and then we'll have this, which is actually supposed to be like, these little things are supposed to be in there. We're gonna take this and put it on like the side over here, but I'm gonna have to make a way to do it because Maddie will get to it, and next thing you know, the whole room is filled with diapers thrown all over the place. So that's the goal. Look at my orchid. It is still, ooh, I think everything has bloomed on it. I don't know yet. Hold on. Oh, and then in this corner, I'm going to do something with their toy box and kind of like, I don't know, put their toys somewhere else. And I'm going to have a baby swing over here that we got as a gift from somebody. But there's 2 that might bloom. Y'all see those 2? But look at that. Look at my plants. Today is Wednesday. It's actually my day to water all my plants. As you can see, I got my aloe vera. And I got my aloe vera just growing in water. Got that little guy, and I got this one, which looked real dead, but it's all right. So that is the goals for this room, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that right now. I think I'm gonna edit these videos because my goal was to edit a lot of videos and record videos this week. So that's what I'm thinking about working on. And then next week I work, I don't know, I got 3 weeks before baby number 2 is scheduled to be here. I think I'm gonna have an update up before I put this video up. Today is February 27th. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna have an update of my pregnancy up, so you all will already know that I am going in for a scheduled C-section. But if this baby come before that, I can't think like that. I gotta get this together, y'all. Look at Maddie. She's like, yeah, you do. But first, where are the rest of those cookies you just gave me? Those vanilla wafers. No, not wafers. Sugar wafers. Where are they, Mom? Maddie. Look how big she is in this crib. I'm looking like we need to like lower it. Don't y'all think so? Yeah, because look, she can just climb out of it. Oh God, I'm scared. But we can't do a taller bed because she's going to be trying to get out, running around doing stuff, right? Please give me some suggestions, y'all. Does she look too big for this crib? And then look at my bedroom. Look at that. Anyway, I ain't gonna keep showing y'all my life and just talking stuff about myself. But we had fun today. I was trying to leave the mall, y'all. Then I walked right past JCPenney. I was like, ooh, Sephora. They got a Sephora and JCPenney. Walked straight in, got some stuff. So let me show y'all what I got. We're gonna go in my bedroom. I'm debating, should I clean some stuff or should I work on editing the video? I have the energy to clean, so I feel like I should use that energy to clean and organize. And then videos, I can do that kind of like laying down or hanging out with Chris when we're watching TV or something. So I'm gonna use this energy right now to straighten some stuff up. Hopefully I can record it. I've been wanting to record videos to show, like, you know, pregnancy, clean with me, organization with a 1-year-old type of videos. But yeah, we about to get out of there, baby. But that stuff be taking effort to record. It really do. All right, let's get up, Maddie. You ready to get up? You already up. Mama. Baby. Can you say baby? She be saying it, y'all. She don't want to say it now. Baby. Come on, Maddie. Let's go. Let's go in the other room. Come on. I gotta see if she pooped. We have been potty training. Not gonna lie, lately it's been rough. Now, I haven't shown y'all my closets for real, but this had all clothes and stuff all over it. So you can see I got my desk here. I gotta go through some stuff up here. This side is pretty decent. I got like my shoes, clothes, some luggage, and all that good stuff over here. I'm thinking, am I gonna condense my bookshelf and take some books off of there? And of course I want to straighten up the top of it. But I'm thinking I might condense it, just so I have more room to put stuff on here. And then this over here looks horrible, I know. But this is something I'm giving away. These some boots, I need to find somewhere to put that. That was my birthday ball that I was debating if I was going to blow it back up and start bouncing on it or not. But we're getting a C-section, so ain't no point in bouncing on that now. This box is pretty much empty. I knew that I wanted to use it for storage. I think the same with this one. This one is pretty much empty. This one down here has like memory stuff, like photographs and things like that. Did you got something else in your hand? And the stuff that's underneath her bed, I'm gonna see if I can get it in there and put this box under her bed plus some more boxes. So, and I got this out because this is what I'm gonna put our stuff in for the hospital. And Madison is just being Madison. So yeah, that's that. Got dirty clothes I gotta wash. It looks like a lot, but it is what it is, y'all. It is what it is. I'm gonna straighten this up, make this way more cozy, way more organized for me to use for video editing and stuff like that. That I can work on while I'm in the house, like in my room. So that's that. I need to really vacuum my floors, get everything together in here. It's a lot, y'all, but let me know, y'all like organizing, cleaning your house, getting stuff out the way. I just really been wanting to get rid of my mascara. Want to get rid of a lot of stuff and throw away a lot of stuff before baby comes. I don't have a lot of time, even though I'm talking to y'all like I do. But let me show y'all what I got from Sephora real quick. excuse everything. But this is the bump at like 36 weeks pregnant. Yeah. Anywho, let me show y'all what I got from Sephora. I went in, got in and out real fast because I knew exactly what I wanted because I've been meaning to go up there for a while. I got some Fenty Beauty, the only foundation I've been using for like the past 6 months. I got the, and this foundation is the realest of the realest from my experience. You just have to shake it before you use it. But I got the 360 foundation. That's my color. I saw they got the, you know, their concealers out, but I honestly don't need, let me see this. That's the only thing. I really want to get my room together so that if I'm in here doing a video, her sister can be in the bassinet. She can have like a little area to play or eat a snack or something while I'm working on a video. And of course, this room is bigger than their room, and I won't have to have my desk in their room disturbing them while they're sleeping. So I could just be in here and they could be in here with me for a little bit. So I got to get it organized and kind of get all the little stuff that she can get into, like get it out the way. So this sponge, I needed a new beauty sponge. So I got that. This was on sale for $7, and it comes with this holder for when you dry it, so it doesn't have to be like sitting on your counter getting dirty again after you clean it. So it's only $7, so I got that. And then I'm about to try this out right now. I need to get this on my lips off, but this company Bite Beauty? Bite Beauty? Are you there, girl? Yeah, it's not focusing whatsoever. Anyways, this company, when, like for my birthday, the Beauty Insider, like when it's your birthday, they give you like samples and stuff. This is one of the samples. They're agave lip balm. And y'all, let me see how much. Oh, they give you a good amount. That's a decent amount. This was in there and it worked so freaking good. It was thick, but not like to the point where it was sticky and it didn't flake. It was perfect. So hopefully this works. Just like the sample. I had a little bit of lip gloss on, so it feels good. It was expensive, I'm not gonna lie. This lip balm was $18, but it's important for me because I have big lips. Like I feel like a lot of the focus is on my lips, so it's important for me to have like really moisturized, juicy, exuberant lips. Yeah, so I feel like it's important to invest in something like this. So especially with this cold weather, I hope this works good. So that's that. That's what I bought myself. I really just need to get some finishing spray and some more eyelash glue. And I did want to get some eyelashes. I saw them super cheap at Burlington. I should have just bought them while I was there, but I didn't. But that's pretty much all I'm going to be getting for myself for a minute, until I reach like some type of like goal, a big goal that I have. And so I'm gonna like have like these goals for myself, and I'm gonna have a reward that I want to get, and I'll just put some money aside here and there to buy it for myself. But that's what I really want to get next for myself. This Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium perfume, y'all. It smells so good. They put a sample in here, not a sample, but they sprayed a little thing for me in here. Can I smell it? Yes, I love the way it smells. But anyways, that's that. I am going to use this time and energy to straighten up as much as I can. I think I'm going to get the stuff from under her bed and get these boxes out the way because they are really irritating. These boxes over here look... Yeah, these little moments that I've been having with her, like before baby number 2 comes, like I have really been cherishing them, like just me and her together. Not to say we don't want baby girl number 2 here, but it's just she my baby, you know what I'm saying? Like, and I know that when our next baby comes, like a lot of the energy that I put into her, I'm not gonna be able to put into her. Like I'm gonna be breastfeeding, I'm gonna be holding the baby and everything. It's just like I want to cherish this time with her because I know she doesn't know it, but it's gonna just be different. So I'm not gonna worry about it. It makes me kind of sad, like, you know, she my baby and now she's not gonna have me like she has me now. Even though this is like the extent of how much she'll let me hold her. Are you wet? Are you wet? Okay, let me get you together.